sweet, fantastic. Fiction by the ocean like the big tide, telling me you're nice, sweet, fantastic.
Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at the Madagascar PPT Baam game. Let's check it out. So the Madagascar PPT Baam game is made by Plague Monkey of the Waygook Forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for you to get that free PPT download copy. The home screen, selection of penguins with letters on them, and you've got to select one of those penguins. You'll go to a question screen. If you get the question incorrect, click on the giraffe to go back to the home screen. If it's correct, click on the lion.
Wow, I feel good.
There's this sort of automatic rolling of the dice, and whatever it lands on, that is the student's points. To return to the home screen, click on the lion. There are also special events as well. One is where you have to choose from a selection of crates.
Circus, Afro, circus, Afro, circus, Afro, polka dot, Afro.
You can get lots of points.
Wow, I feel good.
You can steal other people's points. And you can lose many points. Well, I hope you liked our video PPT walkthrough. Please consider subscribing to our channel, and remember to look in the comment section to download your free copy.